Hi. So last time we were able to get the website to load. Yeah, just hello world. But after looking at it, I started wondering, okay, where does the hello world come from? Because the code, if we check, we have the counter main, and in this main we don't see hello world in there. So I was a bit confused about that, and then here we have some assets stuff. This is this application build client. So what is happening here, we have a build client, and when we check index.html, there is no hello world here either. So it's a bit annoying. Also, this is not very readable. But what happened is it's loading script here, and then there is hello world here on this one. So that's extremely convoluted and complicated. I really don't see why the system is built that way. And also, I'm not sure what happened to the rest of the application. I suppose there are files that are never used. Do we still load the main.cs? It's possible that we actually don't use it anymore. I don't know what's going on. Regardless, the only thing we want to do today is work on the login. So, from my understanding, and we are going to use Flask login, by the way. One second. Just notify that the stream is live. Okay. Alright. Okay. So Flask login, that's what we're going to use, and if I understand correctly, because I was worried about the routing. So the login page to a single page application can be separate. So there are reasons for this, and here we have a little explanation. For example, the login page does not need the application frameworks of JavaScript, like it's saying this is only jQuery and some files, whereas the application can be much more detailed, and then this answer is much more comprehensive. There's stuff about security and stuff, but mainly it's about maintaining the application. Once you're in some part of the application, you can be sure that the user is logged in, because you cannot access that part of the website without the user logging in. So your logic to handle what's going on is much simpler. And that's what we're going to try to do. For sure, yes. Okay. I would still like to clean this up a bit if I could. Like, because there is some confusion. This is React router, and then there is the old code. I think what is being used is app because of React router, and it goes into build client. So public, is public necessary? I don't know. This is up here. This is root. This is root. And by default it's empty. Okay. In the Flask code, I believe we want to. This is not a catch-all. In the other example, I had a catch-all here. I don't understand this syntax. So the idea is to have a catch-all. Oh, maybe this syntax means that the path here will be empty by default. I have no idea. Regardless, I think we want to def login something like this. Eventually we will want something like this. Right. So yeah, the source folder should be deleted. Public, I'm not sure. But it seems to me that everything is in app. Very difficult to make sense of. And why do I have an index here? Yeah, this is also wrong. I think it's wrong. reference to main.ts here, and main was here. So makes sense to remove it. Let's try to rebuild. Right. I will lower the volume of the music. I think it's too loud for my previous recording. Yeah, music must be too loud. Should be alright now. Okay, so let's try to actually rebuild it. What is this app right now? And from there, yes, so SRC was removed. Okay. Yeah. So this doesn't make sense to me anymore. No interface, JS6, interesting element. Cannot use JS6 unless JS6 flag is provided. Okay, let's try the over command. React. Should be the same error. Oh, there is no error. Okay, what is the difference between the two commands? I have no idea. Okay, let's have a make file. Yeah, he's explaining SSR files and he's removing the folder build server and stuff. Okay. So I will just delete it. Check if public is necessary. Let's try to build again. Oh, okay. I don't have the make file here. Okay, so the build seems to still work. So I assume this can be deleted. And we should be clean now. What's in the to-do here? Oh yes, I lost track of the episode. So today should be episode 6. And we want to do user login. I will just put this. It doesn't matter, but let's try to be a little bit consistent with what we were doing before. So now this, okay, this tells the TypeScript compiler what to do. I suppose I leave it here as a reminder. Yeah, doesn't make sense. The compiler error was quite straightforward, so let's remove it. Main is index.js. Is that true? I don't think so. What's going on here? Also the dependencies, there is something weird about the dev dependencies. Because I had to move this here. Otherwise it will not work. So I think, oh, that's not the same thing. This is node and this is dev. Okay. I'm still unsure what's going on with this. Let's see the package lock. I should not. Yeah, there's too much here. 2000 lines. Okay, I guess it's good enough for now. Let's try to understand how we can start working on the logging. So this module, oh, I don't have it ready. So okay, maybe stop the server and I already have it. Oh no, I just installed it. Okay. The documentation didn't used to be this clean. Like, I like a dark background, and read the docs is usually white. I'm not sure when that changed, but I like it. So I just did this. So now is it init app? Yes, it's init app. Alright. I need to worry about this. User loader? That's new. I don't remember this. Okay. What is this page? Okay, yes. I'm not going to be... Okay, from Flask. Mini, no. No need to worry about that right now. Maybe just put a to-do there. So we have a login and a logout. And the root here, index. I suppose this can be used, I don't know. Oh, this looks like the old website, but it's a development version, okay. Is authenticated, is active, is anonymous, get ID. Yeah. And this is where I'm really confused. Oh, okay. So I can do this probably. I will have a logout. Probably, and I need login required for let's think about how we want this to work. So, okay, let's first of all, let's copy paste the example and worry about the details later. Is it going to work? Yes, it does. Incredible. I don't know why when I was doing the coding game competition it didn't work. Oh, it's because it was inside the code editor. Maybe there is something about the code editor. Okay, so login. I have to implement this function. And then here we have render template. Do I need the form? This, oh wait. This looks much simpler to start with. This looks so simple. So the login form is just the HTML of well, the HTML that is here, this kind of HTML is what the login form here is. I have to write login user, and I need a user class. Login without cookie. Oh, you mean I can log in someone with just a query? So get the request argument. If there is an API key, I filter to find the user. If there is a user, I return it. Otherwise, I do the basic authentication. And if it fails, I return none. Remember me, yeah. Maybe we don't do that yet. Disabling session cookie for API. Okay, I'm not sure I understand this. Okay, I wanted to read about the user class, but okay, here it is. It's actually a simple class. Inherit from user mixin. What happened here? Did I? Oh, wait. I don't understand where I am. I think this is a mistake in the documentation. Yeah, it must be a mistake. My problem is if I was okay. The idea is do the login with Flask, okay, and then worry about React later. So we will kind of haha. This is going to be tricky. Oh, is it? I think, yeah. I'm just going. Okay, this is a bugged soundtrack. It's completely silent for some reason. I switch it out, switch it off. Oh, wait, these are properties, not methods, so... That seems suspicious to me. Actually, I could do this by default and then... So I need... something like this. Oh, that's a string. Okay. Mm. Can we do something like this? Okay. Let's copy this. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that must return a user. Okay. This means, okay, that's tricky. Again, how the code is written, I guess it's going like this. With the get here, user ID. But this doesn't work. Unless this is okay. Like, so I need something like something like that. And maybe okay, so this will be a database eventually, but for now we don't need it. So they use a user ID a lot, so let's do it this way. Let's get no, okay. We need to figure out where it is. Oh, it's the WTF. Okay. But I did it correctly to the... Okay, whatever. Okay, syntax error, so I have stuff pending here. Oh, that's completely different than what I thought. Is it correct? Unauthorized handler, okay. I didn't remember the logout being like this. Yeah, session pop username none. That's completely different. Well, okay, let's do it like this. What would the redirect be? I don't know. Oh, and this is render template. So I need okay, this is a problem. Huh. Okay. Ah, okay, so the redirect will be index. I need to implement this. I don't need to worry about it right now. Let's put a to-do here. Let's see what the error would be now. What request host? It doesn't have a definition for it. Oh, request. Could it be something like this? Oh, that's not the problem. Okay. It's inside the parameter. Yeah. Login form, it does not have it. So oh, okay. So that should be something like it's still not there. How hard is it to tell me where login form is declared? Come on. No. Oh, actually, right. Oh, I have to create it? What's going on? I would have thought they had a login form already. A full blog post for user login. So that will be useful. Yeah, we integrate the database later. User registration. This is quite a complete example. Thank you, Sir Miguel Greenberg. Actually, I had done this before already, but okay, let me. What I'm worried about is login form. So this guy is full of shit because he does not provide login form. This is just a copy paste of multiple things on the internet and is not providing the explanation where login form comes from. It does not exist anywhere else on the page. So this guy is full of shit. Ah. Yep, he's full of shit. Alright. Should we do this instead? Because we don't need a complex example. We just need the application to compile and run, and eventually we do things correctly, add the database, and etc. So let's do this. Ignore this for now. If we can have something really simple like this work, and this is not even. Right, okay. Let's just say this doesn't exist, alright? What happens now? Still the... Aha, this example does not have login required. I wonder how this will run. Very curious. To not found, because I don't have I don't have anything for the route. Okay, so now request is not defined. Makes sense. I would have expected it to be something like this. Here we go. So now username session is not defined. Okay. Redirect. URL form. Okay, so it does not have wait, my login.html is empty. Huh. Interesting. This means what does this mean? Okay, so this would have been the template here. This is getting annoying. Okay, that's not what he's looking for. What he's looking for is not this. It's an endpoint here. Static folder, static URL path, URL path. I wonder what that means. Oh, that would be kind of the root for the static, which means like bit client, and this is the root, so I can access index.html. Okay, I'm getting annoyed now. Oh, okay. I didn't put something like this. Is he happy now? Okay. Oh, okay. So what happens is we have login. So this works. I can put a name here, and then it goes here. So that works kind of. Next we need to check if logout okay, yes. Oh, because I didn't type it correctly. Logout user is not defined. Where is it? Good. Is it how it works? No. Yeah, logout user is not inside of Flask. It should be here maybe. Missing user loader or request loader. So he's executing the logout, but he's looking for user loader, which is this code here. Wait, he needs a user. God, this is annoying. No, okay. Let's see. Yeah, okay, no. We are not doing that crap. This function requires we're just going to do that, and it's going to be enough for now. Redirect URL for I don't know if the redirect is going to work. Oh, okay. Now it's going to index instead of URL for. Now it works. Okay, we've made some progress today. I need a short break. Oh, we did quite a lot in just 1 hour. Now we need to worry about the database, the implementation of the login form, and we need to also worry about security stuff. But I need a break. I should have a kind of screen that I can put in there when I'm taking a break. You can do this in OBS, I think. You switch the scene or you display another window, something like that. Something that I have to think about. Alright, I'm back. So let's continue with the music, please. And let's see if the flash works. Oh no, the flash cannot work because I need the template. Interesting. Logout and index 0302 404. Okay. 304. Interesting. And I don't know how to communicate to React that the user is logged in. Oh, okay. Maybe the idea is... Haha. I need React to know that there is a logout destination and a login destination. Let's implement the login form. Eventually I will make a playlist for those videos. So the login form should be like we had, no. We had the Stack Overflow answer with yes. Can just get this. Okay, it looks straightforward to me. Now it's getting messy. Yeah, it has to be at this level, I think. So we have submit is a button, text, username. Oh, there is no password field here. Okay. Oh, login user is the same as logout user, so it should be next thing we need the user loader. We're just going to execute the code and see what he is complaining about. I don't need to have this here, I think. Just put it here. Also, okay, the form must be rendered here. How do you do this? Okay, I'm just going to cross my fingers. I don't know what I'm doing. Come on, baby, go here. Okay, I forgot. Where is this error? I don't see the error. Aha. Okay. I guess it's not bad to this is supposing import Flask. This is a different way to I'm annoyed now. Because all the functions He hasn't found the login. This is a plural. Okay, so that worked, kind of. Except that it gave me, when trying to render the template, it gave me this. No, I want a simple answer. This guy has too much code. Okay, maybe this is what I need. Why is he... Something is wrong here. No. This is wrong. Is the first examples okay, I think I need to read the documentation for this. Okay, so this is registration instead of login. Okay, you do all that jazz. But what I want is a ginger. Okay, this is what I want. Okay. I think that's it. Label? Why label? Okay. Form username, class. Remove the class, please. Oh, I have a problem because I'm passing the form. Okay, so something is wrong here. Oh, maybe not. Okay. This shows errors. And then you have to do validation and stuff. Wow. That's a lot of work. For now, let's go with this for now. Why he is inserting a class here? So this is a mess because you should do it like this. Get the for here and then you put it like this with the and for here. Much more readable. That's the last time I remake the website. I swear to God that's the last time I do this. I've done this in the past, so I already have some code for it, but oh, there's an error here. Favicon, we don't care. Okay, now we have a username and a password field. Alright. What I'm really curious about is why I don't have an error in the Python code. Because obviously load user cannot be working. But it's, oh okay, right now he is at render template login. That's where he is at. So now he's going to do validate and try to do that kind of stuff. I need to yeah, okay. Aha, I don't have a submit button. Interesting. Why I don't have a submit button? This is a joke. They make a form without a submit button. There's no way they did that. Wait, they really made that mistake? How can you make a form without a submit button? What? Submit field? Why submit? Okay, that's an error. Alright. You want to submit input. Why a field? That's a Stack Overflow copy paste error here. I don't know what submit field is, but it doesn't seem right to me. I don't even see it. Let's go back. Submit field. Okay, I'm confused now. Impute type equals submit. This is correct. I need to, because they're the same thing. This is also an impute type equal button. I have no idea what's going on here. Why do you need two implementations? I have no idea why they do this. If this is correct, first of all, why? Oh, because I'm not displaying the button myself. Is that what you mean? Like I should. What's the name of this thing? Okay, the name is just submit, so something like this. Oh, like this. Do I need a div? I should have this guy. Okay, now I have a submit button. And it does not do anything. I want this guy up there at the top. Um, um, I'm confused now because where the trace? Cannot import net submit input, okay. Why I don't have an example with what the submit button is supposed to do? It doesn't make sense to me. Okay, I don't need this page anymore, I don't think. This guy is a fraud. Oh, okay. I get it. Authenticated false. So that should work a little bit better. Nope. Okay, I need to know what's going on here. I don't get any output here. I get the post on login. Something is wrong. Validate and submit here. Something that doesn't register. Okay. That's all I need. I don't see anything except for hidden tag and CRSF token. Oh, it does this too? Interesting. And there is an example on GitHub. That can be useful. Okay, I'm getting tired. I'm stuck. I debugged that before, but right now I am completely unable to say why. Why it's not working. Might be the token, but I'm not sure. Ah, okay. Okay, now we're in. Damn. Took you some time. I guess it was the token, yeah. He was not happy the token was missing. So now we are trying to log in the user. Who is the user? I need his name. Nak. Is that it? Okay, label is not going to help. Field. How can I get the text? On the text of the field, that value, label, widget form. I don't get it. Get text? No, translation. Label. No. That content. How do I access the username, please? That's what you call a useless doc. Like, okay, there's a text. But they say original text, so why isn't it obvious how to get the value of the field? This is really stupid. I don't know. I will try label text, but I'm not I'm not confident about that. Actually, it would be better to get a print like this. Did I have the 2 here? Yes, I got the 1 and the 2 right there. str is active. Okay. Because I returned I didn't return a user. What happened there? Okay, let me see, what was the name? Username? Really? What is this? Damn. Why can't you tell me? So it's data you need to do? This is bad design, by the way. Like, the most important thing is to get the value of the field. We don't care about the other properties as much. So what did we get this time? Okay, we got the name here correct, so that the data is correct. So time to understand why. Oh, this should be a user. Okay, so actually let's do something like this and then pass in the user here. Alright, should be good now. And we got hello world, so the authentication kind of worked. And if we do a logout, okay, we log out apparently, And if we go to login and we use a user that doesn't exist, okay, it does not find it, so there is an exception. So login works. In 2 hours, that's nice progress. Next time, because I'm going to cook now, next time we do the database probably, and yeah, I think either the database or we make the landing page more interesting. Yeah, I think landing page with a login button so that we can navigate to the login page, because having to type login in the address bar is not the way I want to go. And also I need the React side to know if the user is logged in or not. So yeah, I need to think about these things. I will end the stream now. As always, if you liked what you saw or just want to support, like, subscribe, and see you for the next episode.